So next, question 2. Which one is smaller, 1 and 3 out of 7 or 1 and 2 out of 9? Now, both of them, they have a whole number 1. So we just do it by compare 3 out of 7 and 2 out of 9. Can 7 make into a 9 by multiplying a number, Rachel? Can I multiply by an integer to make 7 to become a 9? Yes or no?
What?
Okay, if no, then what we can do is we look at the multiples of 7 and 9. Okay, look at the multiples of 7 and 9. Okay, so multiples of 7, we try to expand the fraction. Okay, multiples of 7, we have 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, and then 21, 28, okay, 35, 42, 49, 56, and then 63, okay? Multiples of 9, we have 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 50, 51, 54, and then 63. Can you see that 63 is common to both of them? So why do we need to look at the multiples of 7 and multiples of 9? Because we want to change the fraction 3 out of 7 into a denominator that is the same for both of them, okay? So for 7 and 9, we found that we can have 63 the same as both of them, okay? The same for both of them. So for 7, we multiply by a number to get 63. For 9, we also multiply by a number to get 63. Okay, so you will find that to get 63, 7, we actually multiply by a 9. So top and bottom both multiply by 9. And then for 9, we actually multiply by a 7. Okay, so top and bottom multiply by a 7. You get 14 out of 63. Okay, so here, the most important part you have to learn is you need to pick a same denominator for both of them. Okay, how to pick it? You can look at the multiples for them separately and then get the one that is the same for both of them. Sometimes we pick the smallest, okay? Some of the people, they may pick others, but both are okay. So when you have picked it, you expand it to make them the same. Now, by comparing 27 out of 63 and 14 out of 63, which one you think is greater? Which one is greater? Rachel, is 27 out of 63 greater or 14 out of 63 greater?
27.
Yeah, this one is greater. Okay, so we say that 1 and 3 out of 7 is greater than 1 and 2 out of 9 because we have 3 out of 7 greater than 2 out of 9. Okay, now this part is the most important part in this lesson. You need to pick the same denominator. Okay, so Rachel, there is one important thing I need to remind you. Have you learned what are prime numbers? Yes or no?
No.
No, okay. Prime numbers, they only have 1 and themselves. They can multiply to get this number. So like if we have 6, we have 2 and 3. Other than 1 and 6 itself, we say 6 is not a prime. But for 7 and 7, we just have 7 itself, okay? We don't have any other factors. So they are called prime numbers. One of the easiest way to get the same denominator is you multiply these two numbers, okay? Multiply 7 and 9, you will get 63. And this is what happened here, okay? This is one way that we can pick the same denominator. All right, so let's try use this strategy. Okay.